Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mark up an assignment for your students to receive feedback. If you open up the assignment and you've created a hard copy for the students to download, once they submit it, they should upload the assignment and you'll see submissions right here on the right side. I'm going to select one of the students and we're going to start with an image example of how you can mark up an image. Now up here you'll see the toolbar of what the teacher can use. On the right side you'll see a submission activity. This will show you when the student has submitted assignments, when you've given them comments on the assignment, and so forth that you can keep for documentation purposes. Right here you'll see the time that it was submitted. It will tell you if it was on time or if it was late. Next, if there are more than one page submissions, it will show you thumbnails here that you can go through and see the different submissions that the student has submitted. So for example, if this was a PDF or a Word document that had 5 different pictures, you can go through these. Next, you'll see the zoom. You can zoom in or zoom out of the image. Here, this allows you to make it fit to width or fit to height of the actual image that was submitted. You can do a full screen. Then to the right, you'll see a few more marking tools that you can use. Pan, you can pan around with the image depending on how it's been zoomed in and zoomed out. For images, you cannot select text, you cannot highlight text, you cannot strike out text, but you can add notes to the image. So for example, let's say I wanted to add a note here. You can type the note here for the student and it'll say the time and who did it. Please make sure to label. Okay. You can also draw on an image as well. You'll have the little tool, the little cross. You can circle it. This is how you're doing this. Once it's finished your drawing, you can choose a style. You can choose what color you wish to use, how thick the line will be. As you can see, I'll change it up to there. Click on done. See, I've done the red now. If you don't like it, what you can do is you can select it here and then select delete. That way it goes away. Another thing that you can do is you can print. Now, when you select print, it will only print the actual document. It will not print the markups that you do on that document. The same thing goes with download. You cannot download the markups. That will be live here in the actual marketing window here. So if you want to hide the markups that you did, you would select here where it says show revision notes, and then it will just show you the markups. In this next example, I'm going to show you an example of a Word document. Now, if they upload a Google Doc, it will be automatically converted to a Microsoft Word document. As you can see here, this one was turned in on time. It has the same toolbars. Now in this example, I'm going to show you the different text markup tools that you can use. Again, you can pan up and down on your marking window here. You can select text. So let's say I'm going to select here. You can copy it and maybe put it into the submission activity here and ask them, maybe you can change the title. You can also highlight. You have to click it on so it turns on. Select what you want to highlight. And then you can choose what color you want. Let's put yellow. Click done. If you want to add more to it, you could do this. Maybe you want to change what was highlighted, just like that, and click on done. Another option is again the strikeout. Maybe you want to show them that you want to strike out this word. Again, you can choose what color and then select on done. Again, you can use the add note. And when adding notes, you can add it anywhere on the document. You can edit the note right here. If you want to move the note, you just select this, the pan, and just move the note where you wish. Again, you can select draw. So maybe, for example, you want the student to focus here. Again, you can select what kind of style you wish for to use. Click on Done. And you have the same options as print and download as well. When you're done marking up, the student will see this on their own screen when they open up their assignments. On the top right, just for the last part, you can see the grade that you provide for your students. You can actually put in the grade in here as you're marking it up and changing it as well. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you very much.